Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Now you need to select Connection Preferences and then Printing. Lastly, just tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to remember to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher at the top. Then go back and click on Add Service. Over here, just install the best one for you. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. So when I do that, all I need to do is click on my new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!